How to view saved or favorite Capcut templates. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today, so without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, launch the Capcut application on a device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now as you're logged into your account, you'll be landed on the main page of Capcut application. So simply make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device as well. So if you do not have a stable Wi-Fi, you can launch or you can select on the particular mobile data as well. Now here you can see there are 4 different options. Now if you want to see or view the saved or favorite Capcut templates, tap on the option of Me at the bottom right corner of the screen. So as you tap on the Me section at the bottom right corner, it will land us to your profile. So what you get to do over here is you can simply tap on the option of likes and favorites over here. So as you tap on likes and favorites, you'll be able to see all the saved or favorite Capcut templates over here. So you can tap on favorites over here and you can simply see all the templates that you have liked or saved. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.